Moving on to next steps, I'm going to do a little cleanup work on this before building the next level up. Can anyone tell me what is wrong with this picture? I'm glad I did not have the recorder on when the grinder hopped out of my hand and started running across the concrete. No concrete or humans were harmed. Another step in the process, why not clean this next level shelf up before it's attached to the rest of the unit? I think it'll be easier. I ain't saying it's art, but I think it'll do work.